Hi everybody, welcome back to another lesson in my level 3 beginner piano course. In this lesson we're going to learn about dotted scales and why it's a good idea to practice scales with dotted rhythms. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so, and if you like what you see, give this video a thumbs up. Also, I offer online piano lessons. If you're looking for one, there's going to be information below. Until now, we played all of our scales in a very even manner, meaning that not just the tempo was even, but the note values were all the same. So for example, a C major scale, all the notes would be the same length, so either all quarter notes or all eighth notes. Since this chapter of the course is all about 16th note semiquavers and dotted eighth notes or dotted quavers, it would be a good idea to try on this rhythm in the context of scales, and many times it's a very good idea to practice scales with different rhythms because actually they help solidify the rhythms and even out the scales despite the fact that we are playing it with uneven note values. So let me show you the first example here. Here is a C major scale, and as you can see, the pattern is first we have the dotted eighth note, dotted quaver, followed by the 16th note semiquaver. So the first note is going to be long and the second one is going to be short. So it's going to go long, 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 and so on. So let's try to play the C major scale with this long, short rhythm. So as you could hear, it creates a very sharp rhythm for this C major scale, but it's really good to solidify the fingers, to understand the rhythm of the pair of notes, and to make the scale more even and more accurate when you actually go back to playing it with even notes. So playing it a few times with this rhythm and then going back to the regular even note rhythm. Now let's play the same with the G major scale as well. So here is the G major scale with the standard even note values. And now here it is with the long short. In the third example, in the F major scale, I'm going to show you the opposite, which is a little bit trickier when we play the 16th notes or semiquaver first, followed by the dotted eighth or dotted quaver. Although we've got the same two note values, they are inverted, so it's going to be short, long, short, long, short, long, short, long. And this creates a very different feel to the scale, and again, it's a different rhythm that's going to help you to distinguish between them, and also, again, making your articulation even more accurate. So starting with the standard F major scale. And now here with the short, long. And you can experiment with these rhythms on any of the scales that you've learned so far, and they are really going to help with the articulation. And also in the context of this chapter, it's really going to help with the new rhythmic patterns that we learned with the dotted eighth note or dotted quaver.